Choosing the right binocular microscope can be challenging. Low clarity, unstable stands, limited zoom, and poor lighting often affect precision work. Whether you're repairing smartphones, soldering PCBs, inspecting jewelry, or studying biological samples, you need sharp optics and smooth magnification control. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best binocular microscopes for repair and inspection work. We researched product specs and user feedback to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. WALLY Sky 10x40x Binocular Stereo Microscope. The WALLY Sky 10x40x Binocular Stereo Microscope is designed for industrial inspection and smartphone repairing. With multiple magnification options from 10x to 40x, it delivers clear, three-dimensional views ideal for soldering and PCB work. The sturdy metal stand ensures stability during delicate repairs, while adjustable eyepieces provide comfortable viewing. Its wide working distance allows easy tool movement under the lens, perfect for technicians who need an affordable, reliable microscope for daily repair tasks. Number 4. Eakins 3.5x to 45x Parfocal Stereo Microscope. The Eakins Industrial Parfocal Binocular Stereo Microscope features smooth continuous zoom from 3.5x to 45x, extendable up to 90x. Its parfocal design keeps images sharp while zooming, saving time during detailed soldering or phone repair. The high-quality optics provide bright, crisp visuals with excellent depth perception. Built with a strong column stand, it offers durability and steady positioning. Ideal for professionals who require precision magnification and flexibility for electronics repair. Number 3. SRATE 20x to 80x Stereo Binocular Microscope. The SRATE Stereo Binocular Microscope offers fixed magnification steps from 20x up to 80x, making it suitable for PCB soldering, mobile repair, and jewelry inspection. It includes a bonus light source to enhance visibility during detailed work. The binocular design reduces eye strain, while the stable base keeps the microscope steady. Clear optics and good depth of field make component identification easier, a practical option for repair shops and hobbyists alike. Number 2. Sunshine M9T 6x-45x Continuous Zoom Microscope. The Sunshine M9T features continuous zoom from 6x to 45x and includes a 0.5x CTV mount for camera attachment. Its 35-centimeter column and large base provide excellent stability and ample workspace for repair tasks. Designed for versatile inspection, it delivers bright, sharp images with smooth focus adjustment. Ideal for phone repair, circuit board soldering, and precision inspection, this microscope balances flexibility, durability, and professional-level performance. Number 1. Svbony SM201 40x-2500x Compound Microscope. The Svbony SM201 is a powerful binocular compound microscope, offering magnification from 40x up to 2500x, including a 100x oil immersion objective lens with NA 1.25. Unlike stereo microscopes, this model is ideal for biological studies and laboratory work. It features an adjustable ABI condenser and variable illumination for enhanced clarity. The dual eyepiece design ensures comfortable viewing during long sessions, perfect for students, researchers, and advanced microscopy applications. If you need precision, clarity, and reliable magnification, these binocular microscopes offer excellent options for repair, inspection, or laboratory work. From industrial stereo models to high-powered compound microscopes, there's something for every need and budget. Which one fits your workspace best? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.